What's up, YouTube? This is Hammerhead Hayden 01, the gamer. If you didn't already, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Today, I want to show you an update on the Chevy Avalanche. Not much has changed, but I'll show you the inside. I don't have the keys on me, but it usually says it has 219,000 miles. Sorry, it's a mess, but there it is. I transformed it into a pickup truck. There you see. Z71. Oh yeah, I never showed you guys this. Got these pouches on both sides. And starting to rust here. Whatever. Let me pop the hood for you guys. Here's how you open the hood. See the Chevy emblem? The original 2002 Vortec V8, and still runs good. Many miles as it has. Here's my throttle linkage. And says, hold on a minute, 102, which means come on, focus. It's hard to see. Means right here, January 02, so it's an 02 Chevy Avalanche Z71. Figured I'd give you an update, guys. There's the steps. That's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share to Hammerhead Hayden 01, the gamer. Bye.